Okay, so this is just a quick walk through the Firewatch projects as it stands, various bits and pieces that I've put on the share. If you import the project, you'll see a bit of a complicated directory structure here, but this is because it's imported from various different projects. Anyway, I've kind of renamed it best I can. The important thing here is this folder here, the Cascade Firewatch, has got all the goodies in it. And just going through some of the demos, the first one to try is probably the setting the forest on fire demo. So this little one here is the scene, this little Unity icon. So if we open that and run that, so this is the scene you've probably seen in the video where it just randomly sets a tree on fire and then the fire spreads according to how close the trees are. And if you want to play with that, I think is it the planter, you can change the size of the world, the noise scale, how close the trees have to be to catch fire, and the number of trees. So if we just make the world bigger, everything else being the same. So the trees are just more spread out, so it's probably a bit boring. So yeah, the fire doesn't spread. Okay, so that's the fire spreading thing, so that's nothing special, but just shows what's going on. The grid world one, Firewatch grid world. So this is a slightly smaller grid, this one. This kind of works. This heat map thing is not quite registered with this. There's an offset in it somewhere, which I haven't had time to look at, but it kind of gets the general idea of what's going on. And with this one, you can change the size of the world in World Manager. So if we make that 25 tiles per side, it just scales everything up, and the number of fires is the same, so the bigger the world, the less spectacular it is actually, but that could easily be changed. Okay, and then the last one is the Volcano Island demo. And this one's got an error in it when it runs. I can't work out why, because it still runs okay. So, but anyway, this is the one you've seen in the video. So just a drone driving around the island, and although it's the waypoints that actually aren't working properly, but you can move the waypoints around and what they look at. So that's about it. Okay, thanks for watching.